Now, when it's time to build your glutes, you're trying to really sculpt and tone and lift the booty. We do not want to be doing tons of excessive cardio and living off of like sad salads, okay? We want to be eating enough protein and enough food to actually fuel our training so we can change our lower half, right? We can build muscle, get rid of fat, get rid of cellulite, all that fun stuff. That's going to come by way of your training and your diet. So with day number 2 is cardio. We don't want you to overdo it. Cardio is not the main driver for fat loss. Okay. It's going to be your diet. So your priorities are your diet, your training, and cardio is an adjunct to what you're doing to just kind of bolster your fat loss and your leanness a little bit more. I prefer to follow steps. I will get on a treadmill before every training session. You get on a treadmill, you turn up that incline, start at a 5 if you've never done that, incline of level 5, and your speed is going to just depends on how short your legs are, how good you are at walking quickly on an incline. I would say start at 3 miles an hour for starters. And then if that feels pretty easy, then increase the incline or increase the speed and get that heart rate up. Okay. No holding the handrails. Okay. We are not water skiing. You want to just pump your arms, just like you see those sweet little power walking ladies do from back in the day. Okay. That's it. That's how I get most of my girls on stage and get them lean is they're doing either a stair mill or an incline treadmill or a bike and a combination of those to get their heart rate up and burn some extra calories. But again, it's the diet.